Right, so you want to make some nice effects, don't ya? You seen all the neat little things that Photoshop has, huh? Can't do it in this little program, right? People want Photoshop to work as a comic program, and we want this thing to work as a editing program. Fucking Discord. Right, we're back. So how do you do this, you might ask? Very simple, to be honest. First of all, you just need to crop this out. The thing you want, right? So I'm taking this picture of Soldier from the cinematic. Oh, by the way, psst, just a little tip. Okay, this is the thing. You can change image resolution. You can go into edit, change there, bam. You get my point. Okay, so crop this out, man. Okay, bam, we selected it. Good. Now copy that and post it 3 times. Okay, now select these and go into lighten. Bam. Okay. So, you see in Photoshop tutorials, right? They say select only the red channels, and you're thinking, well, I can't do that. You can. It's just a lot more irritating. So go into edit, go into tonal correction, you go into level correction, and you can see here there's an RGB channel here, and you just to deselect everything else by output. So we'll make this only have blue. So we select the red channel, output nil, green output, bam, okay, and would you look there? It's perfectly blue. And I'll do the same thing here. Easy money. Okay, and what you do? You move the things. Congratulations, you've succeeded.